आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे मानाधिक मंत्री आसा तांच्यांनी आपूण फुडें सरून ही सबसिडी 50% पर्यंत हाडली आनी सगळ्यांक एक विश्वास दिलो की आमी सोलर रूफटॉप जर घालत जाल्यार आमकां सबसिडी ही मेळटली आनी आमी मुखार सरपाक जाय. तर आज आमच्या मदीं आमचे गोंयचे मानाधिक मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत उपस्थित आसा. तांणी आमकां ह्या कार्यक्रमाक वेळ दिला. तशेंच आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे मंत्री आनी पावर मिनिस्टर श्री निलेश काब्राल ते हांगा हजर आसा. सो आमी गोवा उर्जा विकास यंत्रणे वतीन तांचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करता. आनी जे तुमी बेनिफिशरीज आनी आमचे एम्पॅनल्ड एजन्सी ते सगळे जे हांगा जमिल्ले आसा तांचे स्वागत करता. तशेंच प्रेस मिडिया जे हांगा आयल्या तांचें हांव स्वागत करता. आनी आमचे गोवा एनर्जी डेव्हलपमेंट एजन्सीचे जे मेंबर सेक्रेटरी आसा श्री संजीव जोगळेकर हांच्या कडेन मागता की तांणी 1-2 उतरां उलोवची.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a big occasion for our department as well as Goa Energy Development Agency that after a long notification of policy in 2017, we have reached the first stage of disbursement of solar subsidy in the state of Goa. As Anupa informed you all, it is because of the effort of the government. Initially we were supposed to get a 30% grant from the central government, which has been stopped. So the whole 50% subsidy is coming on behalf of the state government. That's why there was a little delay by the time we processed our files and got our financial approvals. But today we are at here, and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Power Minister for taking this step to instill confidence in the people of Goa and the people who have made an effort, who have contributed by installing solar panels on their roof in generating green power in the state of Goa. Thank you very much. I request you to give.
फुलांनी आमी स्वागत करूया. हांव मागतां आमचे मानाधिक मंत्री पावर मिनिस्टर श्री निलेश काब्रालजी हांच्या कडेन की तांणी 2 उतरां सांगची.
Very good evening to all present here. आजच्या ह्या subsidy disbursement of renewable energy under GEDA, Goa Energy Development Authority, under the ministries of NCSC, National Renewable Sources of Energy. Amongst our midst, we have our Honorable Dynamic Chief Minister of the State of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Member Secretary GEDA, Association members, and other distinguished guests, along with members of GEDA. Police Watir, Magasta, jo subsidy jo asta component, it is sort of the incentive to build a system in place. And Goa is the only state under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister who is giving 50% subsidy for solar rooftop. No other state in India is giving this. It is seriousness which has come to this government when Honorable Chief Minister has come, when I have explained to him that as Power Minister we have a RPO obligation of bringing in renewable energy to the state, because whatever we consume, we have a percentage of renewable energy which has to be part of the energy consumption for the state. And when I became the Minister of Power, I realized that the scheme was floated and somehow we have lost the bus. Lost the bus is what I mean to say. खंयतरी जे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान स्कीम लॉन्च केल्ली आनी स्टेट ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा ती बस धरूं ना आनी आमकां ती स्किमूय गेली. बट लोकांक आमकां लागून खंयच्या तरी गव्हर्मेंटान कांयच करूं ना म्हूण लोकांक त्रास जावपाक जायना But I requested Honorable CM that we have to stand by the commitment to the people who have from the year 2018, I can see installation from 16/5/2018, prior to that also, there are installations. And it was a scheme which was introduced. Unfortunately, it never materialized. But with the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, whatever we desire to do, with his support and with your encouragement and with the support of the association, we have succeeded what we have come today at this stage. Today there are more than 55 people as individuals who have installed on their roofs solar power. Out of that, a token 10 of you all are selected here, where we are going to disperse the 50% subsidy as per benchmark given to us. Now, unfortunately, when we say 50%, then it will be like the power bill tariff what we say when we are giving 50%. It is what is happening. Benchmark is something which has been ascertained. Every roof has a different setup, and every roof requires a different design. We can't go on calculating the roof designs. So it is up to the people, the empaneled agency whom we have taken on board. All of them are entrepreneurs from Goa. And in Goenka Ramche, the reason being very simple. In my funda was very simple. That the people who have to give you back service, because whatever they have put are for 25 years of life. So solar panels are for 25 years of life, and they will deteriorate over a period of time, and they will become zero at the 25th year. So we have to upgrade, we have to find some Goan brothers who want to be entrepreneurs, and that is why I made it very compulsory. If that subsidy has to go, then it has to go through the entrepreneurs listed from Goa. And that is why when I became the minister, we had various meetings, lot of issues were there, because it is not very easy, because electricity department, though I am the power minister and also the renewable energy minister, we had a lot of issues, because power department, what happens? Power, when is generated in the grid, it is supplied back to the grid. And what happens in the grid is, when there is a power failure, when you have reverse current, when they are working, there is a possibility of a accident. म्हणजे थंय जावपाक जायना म्हूण खुबशे आमी टेक्निकली बसून सोल्युशन काडलें. And when the power department was comfortable, that is the time, I think when I became the minister, after almost 6 months, we could start connecting in the grid. So this is what, there is a long process which has happened. But now we have simplified a lot of things. The association also, when they started, was with the Dilip Naik, when the first association, now Sandeep is heading, all the people of the association are there. And with their help, we are pushing this. They were after me to release the first tranche of the subsidy, and fortunately Honorable Chief Minister has agreed on, and we have kept enough provision for another 500 people, to minimum 500 people to come on board and put the solar system in place on rooftops. Today people talk a lot. They talk against the power. They require 50% subsidy in the bills because they have consumed more power. They have consumed more energy. They want subsidy. What do you can't be completely a state with subsidies. But here where we can give, opposing button. But here we can give you subsidy. Why? Because you all are individuals who have realized to be part of the green energy. And that is why I always feel proud of you who have started this movement. And today, you are contributing. But the people who are just opposing, none of them have contributed. Today, Goa is growing so high, and we have a power requirement of almost 5% increase every year. I have already given a statement, I will not repeat. But who can contribute? It's people like you, sensible people like you, who have thought that to help the government, we have put rooftop solar. We are generating our own energy, not 100%, but some energy where we can help this government to not bring energy up the line. And each of us decide that we will put a solar rooftop solar roof on our roof. Then we will not require the terminal line to come. But if it is not decided, then we require a terminal line, because then some people will say we don't have energy. So down the line, we require all this infrastructure, because we don't produce electricity on our own. But people like you, wonderful people like you who are supporting the government, I first of all I would like to thank you and apologize from our behalf for giving you the subsidy late. And don't worry that after you, the subsidies will be dispersed in time. With the guidance of Honorable CM, all the subsidies will be distributed timely. The reason what we have done is, after you install, we are asking 6 months to disperse the subsidy, is to see that the friends of mine, see that they are with you. and they monitor your services. Normally there is very less maintenance in a solar rooftop solar system which is there now, but it requires some sort of maintenance, and they have given me a word that they will be with you all the time. If they are not, please call me and tell me if they are not. So they have given me the word that they will be at all times, because see, there are a lot of things which technically maybe as a layman I and you will not understand, but they understand because they are part of the system. But on one condition I have helped them all, and we want entrepreneurs like them to grow. We entrepreneurs, we made a different sort of entrepreneur. Now also the new central scheme which has come for 5 MW, again we have putting a list of entrepreneurs, and whatever they said we are trying to do to help the entrepreneurship skills in Goa, and also seeing that they deliver it to you and they are accountable. Main thing is they are accountable, because in the past I have seen that we have given so many, government has given so many schemes, like there was in agriculture there was this orchid greenhouses. Nobody is maintaining them. They are in a very desperate state. But I trust the people of Goan origin who are here with their offices set up here. They will support you in your times of difficulty, because you have invested money. Even though technically it is 50%, maybe it is not 50% because of various roofs from various roof structures. So once again, I will not talk much. I will हांव सदांच लोकांक रिक्वेस्ट करता की उलोवचे परस स्वता आमकां गोंयान एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करपाक आपणाचे रुफार हे सोलर सबसिडीज आमचे डायनॅमीक चीफ मिनिस्टरान जे 50% सबसिडी दिल्ली आसा ती यूज करा, आनी मागीर अशें खंय तरी हें नाका आनी तें नाका म्हणून जेन्ना आमकां जर गोंयान आमी स्वता जनरेट करपाची कॅपॅसिटी जर केल्ली आसा जाल्यार आज आमकां हे बाकीच्यो लायनी गोंयचे भायर हाडपा नाका. आज टॅक्नॉलॉजी इतली जाल्ली आसा. हांवूय सोलर सबसिडी घेवंक क्लेम करूं ना, हांव सीएमाचें परमिशन घेतलो म्हाजी क्लेम करपाक, म्हाज्या घरा वयल्यान घातल्या ती, कित्याक ना जाल्यार मागीर काब्रालान सबसिडी करपाक ही स्कीम केली म्हणटले. म्हणजे म्हाजें सांगपाचें कितें आहा की सगळ्या लोकांनी घालपाक जाय, आनी घातले जाल्यार जे आमचे एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट जे आसा गोंयचे हे भायल्यान हाडपाचें कमी जातलें. आनी आज टॅक्नॉलॉजी इतली चेंज जाल्ली आसा की आमी एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करून आमगे स्टोर करून आमी वापरपाक शकता. सो ह्यो सगल्यो गोश्टी म्हाका दिसता लक्षांत दवरून आमचे सगळे तरणाटे भुरगे आसा तुमच्या वांगडा तेंचे यूज करचे, आनी न्यू आयडियोलॉजीज, न्यू टॅक्निक्स coming in the solar energy form should be used by all of us to see and not to depend on energy produced by fossil fuel or energy produced by nuclear fuel. If we all are serious about conserving our energy, conserving our state and giving green energy and converting into green energy, then we will all have to convert our house into a greenhouse first. And I congratulate you once again for doing 50% of it. And with the help of these people, maybe over the next few years, you will convert your entire house and you will not require electricity department connection anymore. This is what you should all vie for. And I am here to support you all, and along with my Honorable Chief Minister, that we will support you all in these directions. Once again, not taking much time, we have a lot of other new schemes which are going to come with the directions of Honorable Chief Minister. We are coming out with a new scheme shortly where we are going to install the RESCO model solar pumps, or we required GEDA will install solar pumps in agriculture produce, where we will give them free pumping for 3-4 hours and use their energy and convert it into the grid. We are also coming with now a lot of electrical charging stations are going to come up in Goa. Maybe we will require you to support by electrical cars in bringing the green environment more towards a realistic form and not going in the directions of Delhi, because we have a population of almost equal to our population, 15 lakh population, 15 lakh cars and bikes and vehicles. So we have to strive to see that we bring down, and we are going to give charging stations shortly over the next few months. You will see a lot of charging stations, and today there's a lot of improvement in the car. You don't have to do charging, exchange of batteries. The same battery, there are cars which have come to give you 400 kilometers on one single charge, 350 on one single charge. There are 800 kilometers also, new cars are coming. But the smallest car which gives you 200, 150 to 200 kilometers. For that also I will request Honorable CM that we will remove a subsidy scheme where we will contribute to show that we are very focused and we want this state to be still green and still environment friendly, what the ancestors have kept for us. And whatever development projects, the 3 projects which are required for the state we are doing, it is not that we desire to destruct any environment. But we as Honorable CM, as a young CM with us, we are coming with new ideas and new things so that we are not dependent on the power generated outside the state of Goa, but we should be self-reliant like steps taken by you all in the first step, and I hope that all Goans आणि सगळे गोंयकार भाव भयण्यो म्हज्यो हे स्टेप तुमी घेतलेले आसा जे 54 लोकांनी आज घेतलेले आसा ते बाकीच्यांनी करचे अशी विनंती करता आणि तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. थँक्यू.
देव बरें करूं सर. आतां हांव मागतां आमचे गोंयचे मानादीक मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांचे कडेन की तांणी आमकां 2 उतरां सांगची.
गेडा आणि पॉवर मिनिस्ट्री हांच्या वतीन म्हाका दिसता सबसिडी चेक डिस्ट्रिब्युशनच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याक आमचे पावर मिनिस्टर बाब निलेश काब्राल हाणें तुमकां सगळें एक्सप्लेन केलां आनी आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याक खास करून तुमचे सगळ्यांचें अभिनंदन करता की ज्यांच्यांनी सोलर रूफ घालून पावर जनरेट करपाचो जी सुरवात केली तांच्या सगळ्यांचें अभिनंदन. तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर आशिल्ल्यो इम्प्लिमेंटींग एजन्सी तांकांय बी तेंच्यांनी तुमकां एसिस्ट केलें आनी ग्रीन एनर्जी वटेन व्हरपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता तुमकां सगळ्यांक हेल्प केलो त्या खातीर तांचें अभिनंदन करता. वी आर द पावर डिपेंडंट स्टेट. आमी पावर जनरेट करिना. वेरी फ्यू मेगावॅट ऑफ पावर वी आर जनरेटींग इन आमोणा इन माय ओन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. ताज्या उपरांत आमी आनी खंयसरूच पावर जनरेट करिना. आतां ताज्या उपरांत पावर जनरेट करता ते तुमी. म्हाका दिसता त्या खातीर सगळ्यात पयली गोंयभरच्या लोकांनी तुमचें अभिनंदन करपाक जाय कारण तुमी पावर जनरेट करपा खातीर आनी ती बी ग्रीन पावर जनरेट करपा खातीर सुरवात केली. सदोदीत आमी म्हणजे सरकाराचेर टिका करपा खातीर खूब फुडें आसता. पावर मिनिस्टर उलयता आसतना ताणें सांगलें आमकां लायट जाय 24/7, उदक जाय 24/7, आमकां ट्रान्सपोर्ट फेसिलिटीज रोड सगळें सामकें बरें जाय आनी ताज्या बरोबर एनवायरमेंटूय बरें जाय. बट एनवायरमेंट सरकार डिस्ट्रॉय करपा खातीर ना, आमी प्रिजर्व करपा खातीर आसा. आमी 10 झाडां जर मारलीं 100 झाडां लायता हें लोकांच्या लक्षांत येना. आमी दुसरे कडेन लावपाची तितकीच वेवस्था करता. ताणें 3 प्रोजेक्टाच्या बद्दल उलयलें. हांव ताज्या बद्दल उलयना. ताणें सांगलें की आयज काल बरेच जाण आनी खंय रावन विरोध करता, आफ्रिकेक रावन, इंग्लंडाक रावन आनी रशियेक रावन थंयच्यान हांगा करतात. म्हाका एकदां कळना की ज्यांच्यांनी गोंय आनी मोलें खंय आसा थंय पळोवंकूय ना त्या मोल्या बद्दल कोण तरी फॉरेन कंट्रींतल्यान उलयता. कितें म्हणून नक्की लक्षांत येना. म्हणजे मोल्यार रावपी बाबडो म्हणटा हो जर रस्तो जालो आनी ही जर डबल ट्रॅकिंग जालें जाल्यार खरोखरूच म्हाज्या खातीर फायद्याचें आसतलें. जी लायट म्हणजे मोल्याच्या आमच्या अभयारण्यांतल्यान येता हाडली तेणी सांगलां आसतलें 7 पोल्स 6 पोल्स जे आसा पळय न्ही ते फक्त अभयारण्यांत येता. बाकीचे तेय बी कितलो बाय कितलो एरिया 30/40 एरियात. शेवटी म्हणजे आमकां एकेच हेजेर इलेक्ट्रिसिटीक हेजेर डिपेंडंट रावन उपयोग ना. अल्टरनेटिव्स आमकां जाय. आयजूय बी इंडस्ट्री आमच्या ते गोंयांत येवपा खातीर खंय तरी भियेता म्हणून आमकां 24/7 अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सप्लाय जर इंडस्ट्री खातीर दितले आसत जाल्यार ह्या सगळ्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडी करपाची गरज आसा. आनी त्या दृश्टीन द पावर मिनिस्टर इनोवेटीव थिंग्स इन हीज डिपार्टमेंट इन गेडा वेगवेगळ्यो सबसिडीज आनी हे ते फुडें हाडीत आसा. दीस इज वन ऑफ द स्कीम ही लॉन्च्ड. म्हणजे कंपॅरिजन वीथ द अदर स्टेट वी आर गिवींग द 50% ऑफ द सबसिडी. ओके, इट इज व्हेरी म्हणजे एकदम इनोवेटीव. आनी ताच्याच बरोबर त्यांनी ज्यो नवीन 2-3 स्किमी ज्यो सांगल्या म्हाका दिसता त्यो स्किमी लॉन्च केल्या उपरांत आनीकूय लोक म्हणजे ग्रीन एनर्जीच्या वाटेन येतले हाजी हांव आशा व्यक्त करता. आनी आमी जे पावर डिपेंडंट आसा पळय न्ही खंय तरी स्वता पावर जनरेट करपाक लागपाक जाय. एटलिस्ट 25% 30% ऑफ द पावर आमी ओन जर जनरेट केली जाल्यारूच आमी इतरांचेर डिपेंडंट उरचे ना. आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर म्हणजे कोविडांतल्या महामारींतल्यान वता आसतना ल्हानसो सुवाळो म्हज्या बंगल्यार जाता. हांव परत एकदां तुमच्या सगळ्यांचें त्या निमित्तान म्हज्या बंगल्याचेर स्वागत करता. ऑफिशियल बंगल्याचेर स्वागत करता. ह्या सुवाळ्याक तुमी मुद्दामून हांगासर आयले आनी कोविड-19तली महामारी चालू आसतना सुद्दां सबसिडीचे चॅक डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपा खातीर आमी विसरूंक ना. म्हणजे देर इज अ फायनान्शियल क्रंच फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट, दॅट इज डिफरंट स्टोरी, बट स्टील वी आर डिस्ट्रिब्युटींग द सबसिडीज चॅक फॉर जे बेनिफिशरीज आसा तांकां डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करता. द सेम तरेन म्हणजे आमी इकॉनॉमीक क्रायसिसान वता आसतना सुद्दां सोशल सॅक्टरांतल्यो स्कीम बंद करूंक ना. बाकीच्यो म्हणजे वी आर प्लॅनिंग म्हणजे आमी जाता तितके बेगीन प्लॅन करून ह्या इकॉनॉमीक फायनान्शियल क्रंचांतल्यान खंय तरी भायर सरपाचो सरकारचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. आमी ज्या पद्दतीत आमचे माननीय पंतप्रधान आत्मनिर्भर भारत म्हणजे मेन तेंचो ब्रीद वाक्य आसा की भारत आत्मनिर्भर जावचो. त्याच दृश्टीन गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावचें. आतां गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण खंयच्या तरेन जावपाक शकता. आमी जर आतां विचार करपाक सुरू केलो जाल्यारूच खंय तरी फुडल्या 5 वर्सांनी गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावपाक शकतलें. गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावपाक शकतलें. आतां म्हणटा तें तेणी घेतलेल्या इनिशिएटिव्हांतल्यान पावराच्या बाबतींत 25% जातलें कदाचित. आमी एग्रीकल्चरांतल्यान इनिशिएटिव्स घेतले आसत जायत आसतली, भाजी आसतली, तांदूळ आसतले, फुलां आसतली, दूद आसतलें, चिकन आसतलें, मटन आसतलें. वी आर 100% डिपेंडंट अपॉन द नियर बाय स्टेट्स. आमकां तें जर करपाक जाय आसत जाल्यार इनिशिएटिव्स ही प्रत्येक गोंयकारान घेवची पडटली. आनी त्या खातीर म्हणजे स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाक प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक आमकां जागो करचो पडटलो. आनी जागो कोणाक करपाक येता? जो न्हिदलेलो आहा ताका जागो करपाक येता. न्हिदेचें सोंग घेतलां ताका जागो करपाक येवचो ना. आमच्या दृश्टीन सरकारा कडल्यान आमी 100% प्रयत्न सुरू केला. म्हणजे ईच अँड एवरी पंचायतीचो सर्वे, ईच अँड एवरी म्युनिसिपालिटीचो सर्वे आमच्या प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटांनी केला. 15 ऑगस्टाच्या आमी म्हाज्या भाशणांतल्यान बऱ्योचश्यो गजाली आमी डिक्लेअर करपाच्यो आसा जेणे करून हर एक गोंयकाराक स्वप्न पडपाक जाय गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावपाचें. माननीय पंतप्रधान मोदीजीच्या स्वप्नाचें म्हणजे स्वप्न साकार करपाक आमी तेंच्या पावलाचेर पावल दवरून फुडें वचपा खातीर आनी भारत देश आत्मनिर्भरते वटेन वचपा खातीर गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपाची जबाबदारी ही आमची प्रत्येक गोंयकाराची आसा. तें म्हजें काम न्हू. जशें तुमी सगळ्यांनी की ठरयलें की सोलार रूफ आपूण घालतलो आनी थोडी तरी पावर जनरेट ग्रीन एनर्जी आपूण जनरेट करतलो आसत. ही जर गजाल प्रत्येक गोंयकारान जर विचार केली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जाल्यारूच इट इज पॉसिबल. नाजाल्यार हांव कित्याक इन्वेस्ट करूं, म्हाका कितें गरज आसा अशें जर धरून रावलें जाल्यार आमी केन्नाच पावर जनरेट करपाक पावचे नाशिल्ले. त्याच धर्तीचेर प्रत्येकान म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत आसलेले गोंयकार आनी गोंया भायर आसलेले गोंयकार हांच्यांनी गोंयच्या दृश्टीन विचार करपाची सुरवात करपाची वेळ आतां आयिल्ली आसा. आमी पोस्ट कोवीड ज्या गोश्टीचो जेन्ना विचार करता त्या दृश्टीन आमकां जर कोण साल्वार करपाक शकता आसत जाल्यार आमचोच गोंयकार भाव आनी भयण आमकां साल्वार करपाक शकतली. ह्या परिस्थितींतल्यान फुडें वचपाक तुमचो सगळ्यांचो हातभार गोंय सरकाराक निश्चितच जाय पडटलो. आनी नक्कीच तुमी केल्ल्या कामा बद्दल हांव तुमची तोखणाय करता, अभिनंदन करता आनी पुराय सरकाराच्या वतीन आनी सगळ्या गोंयकारांच्या वतीन तुमचें परत एकदा अभिनंदन करता. खरोखरूच तुमी अभिनंदनाक पात्र आसा. कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू. थँक्यू.
देव बरें करूं तुमकां सर. आतां आमी आमच्या कार्यक्रमांक सुरवात करतात. तर हांव जेन्ना नांव घेता तेन्ना त्या बेनिफिशरीन येवन आपलो चॅक कलेक्ट करचो. हे सगळे RTGS ऑलरेडी जाल्ले आसा सर तांच्या एकाउंटाक. सो दीस इज अ फॉर्मल फंक्शन. सो हेलिना फुर्तादो. हेलिना फुर्तादो फ्रॉम चांदोर.
2,45,760. Come this side.
Congratulations. Stanley Joseph Nedungut from Ponda.
2,10,600.
हांच्यांनी 7.8 kWचा सिस्टम बसयल्लो आसा. श्री रमेश कामत 4.8 kW सिस्टम बसयल्लो आसा फ्रॉम पणजे. एडी आर्थर अग्नेलो फर्नांडीस फ्रॉम तिसवाडी 5.2 kWचा सिस्टम. 1,40,400 सबसिडी अमाउंट. कृष्णा पॉय आंगले फ्रॉम सालसेद 9.75 kWचा सिस्टम. 2,63,250 is the subsidy amount. Immaculate Viegas Fernandez 7.8 kWचा सिस्टम. 2,10,600 is the subsidy. They all are in negative, sir. They all are in negative, so they will be getting. They all are getting payment from electricity.
We got around 17,000.
Take the video of them.
Very good.
Video घ्या बघा.
We will just take your mind also.
Glenn,
With your support, we'll encourage people.
Right.
Glenn Rodriguez, Seraulim, 5.76, 1,55,520. ही जी सगळी आता सबसिडी डिस्बर्स जाली ती डॉमेस्टिका खातीर आशिल्ली आनी ती 50%. आता कमर्शियलाक जी 20% आमी दिल्या ती दोतोर दत्ता बानोडकर फोण्या. तांच्यांनी 8.775 KWचा सिस्टम बसयला. 94,770 इज द सबसिडी अमाउंट. कमर्शियला अंडर महेंद्र जेसिलिनो अराउजो अल्वारिस बिगफूट लोटलिम 6.1 KW system 66,600 is the subsidy amount. एल शदाई चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट सुकूर आसगांव म्हापसा 13 किलोवॅटाचो सिस्टम बसयला. 1,24,800.
मनोज दोन घ्या व्हिडिओ घ्या.
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. थँक्यू सर. देव बरें करूं. हे जे सगळे सिस्टम बसयल्ले ते आमचे एम्पेनल डीलर सोलर रेस, साई ज्योती, एमरोवा, अनीश सोजा, रेनबो हे जे आशिल्ले ह्या साई सोलर. तर हे आसात. सगळ्यांक हाडूंक ना सर. हेलिना फुरू सगळे आमचे सर डीलर. सोलर रेज जॉन फर्नांडीस.
फुडलो
साई ज्योती. संदीप नाईक अँड पार्टनर्स. एमरोवा अमोल. अनीश सोजा.
तू बस.
रेनबो सोलर दिलीप नाईक. अनीश सोजा. हो रेनबो सोलर दिलीप नाईक. ना आनी एक कसा. साई सोलर. सर काटे आसा.
हांची घे.
शिरोडकर. हय देव बरें करूं सगळ्यांक तुमकां. तुका देव बरें करूं सगळ्यांक. सर तुमकांय देव बरें करूं.
पुढे घे.